In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage snippets in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot global home and click onto the search bar and search for snippets. You should be able to find them under the apps, so click onto this right here. Once you're in there, proceed to click on this create snippet option. Now, give it a name. So for example, let's name this as default. And add right here the snippet text for the content. Let me just add right here a placeholder and add right here the shortcut for it. I'll input default as well and click on save snippet. Now, as you can see, the snippet has been added and you can also categorize snippet for easy organization if you want. To use it, you can just type the shortcut in emails or chats and you can edit and delete the snippets anytime from the snippets dashboard. So that's all there is today. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.